Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Afterpay for the first time, whether you are shopping in store or online. Stick around till the end so you don't make any mistake. So let's get started. You can use Afterpay for both online and in-store purchases. Not all orders are approved. Afterpay makes decisions based on your spending behavior to promote responsible use. So choose your country, your preferred country. As example, I'm gonna choose United States, and here you can see I'm in. Now you have to log in or sign up to your account if you already have one. You can also get the app copying this QR code. You have to enter your email address and then you have to tap on to continue. Use the Afterpay shop directory or in-store map in the app to find participating stores from here. So first of all, let me enter my Gmail address. Wait a second. So after entering your Gmail account as wait, let me sign up. So first of all, you have to get the mobile app. So for in-store purchases, you must use the Afterpay mobile app, because without the mobile app, you cannot purchase in store. If you miss a payment, Afterpay charge a late fee, making your purchase more expensive. So let me explain how to use Afterpay for the first time. There are three main simple steps, which is you have to create an account, then you have to make a purchase, then you have to make payments. So the step one is you have to create an account, as I mentioned you earlier. So create an account via the Afterpay app or website. You can sign up using your email address or mobile number. Just follow the prompts. Here you can see there are two options, login or sign up. Use the one you want to. For online purchases, some stores let you use Afterpay at checkout without registering first. You will be prompted to create an account afterward. Now you have to make a purchase after login. Shop at a store listed in the Afterpay shop directory. For in-store shopping, make sure to download the app. Add your items to cart, like you can add items to your cart from Afterpay. So here you can see you can purchase from here various type of products. Then you have to head to the checkout and select Afterpay as your payment method. For online purchases, your order will be shipped right after checkout. No upfront payment needed. So that's it. Now you have to log into your Afterpay account to view your payment schedule. Make sure you pay on time to avoid late fees. If you don't pay manually, Afterpay will automatically charge the amount your debit or credit card on file. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Goodbye.